We're about to dive into the world of solar generators. These things are all about harnessing the power of the sun. And let me tell you, it's pretty darn amazing. Today, we're going to see if we can get off the grid without breaking the bank. We've got a $500 solar generator setup ready to rock and roll. Let's see what it can do. We're talking solar panels to soak up that free sunshine, a power station to store it all up, and of course all the cables and connectors you need to get the juice flowing. No more relying on those gas-guzzling generators. This is clean energy, my friends. All right, let's tear into this bad boy and see what surprises await us inside. There's always a certain thrill that comes with unboxing something new, isn't there? The anticipation, the excitement. It's almost like opening a present on your birthday. And see what we're working with. The first thing that catches my eye is the meticulous packaging. Everything is snug and secure, ensuring that nothing gets damaged during transit. It's always a good sign when a company takes the time to package their products well. First up, we've got the solar panels. These are the heart of the operation, capturing those golden rays and turning them into sweet, sweet electricity. They feel pretty sturdy too, not flimsy at all. The build quality is impressive, and you can tell that these panels are designed to withstand the elements. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter morning, these panels are built to last. Next, we've got the power station itself. This is the brains of the operation, storing all that energy we're getting from the sun. It's got a nice, solid build and a bunch of different ports. Looks like we can power up all sorts of stuff with this. From charging our smartphones and laptops to running small appliances, this power station is incredibly versatile. The display is clear and easy to read, giving us all the information we need at a glance. And of course, no setup would be complete without the cables and connectors. We've got everything we need to hook the solar panels to the power station and then get our devices plugged in. Plus, they even threw in a handy carrying case. Nice touch. The variety of cables ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, making this setup incredibly user-friendly. The carrying case is not just a nice touch, it's essential for keeping everything organized and portable. Setting up the solar panels is a breeze. The connectors fit perfectly, and the instructions are straightforward. In no time, we've got everything hooked up and ready to go. It's amazing how quickly you can get everything up and running. The ease of setup means that even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you won't have any trouble getting this system operational. Now, all that's left is to let the sun do its job and start generating some clean, renewable energy. This setup is not just about convenience, it's about making a positive impact on the environment. By harnessing the power of the sun, we're taking a step towards a more sustainable future. Now for the fun part, getting this thing up and running. First things first, we need to find a good spot for our solar panels. Somewhere with plenty of direct sunlight is key. We don't want any trees or buildings blocking those precious rays. Once we've found our sunny spot, we can go ahead and connect the solar panels to the power station. It's a simple plug-and-play system, no electrical engineering degree required. The cables are clearly labeled, so we know exactly what goes where. With everything hooked up, we're good to go. The power station starts charging right away, soaking up that free energy from the sun. It's a beautiful thing to see, folks. We're one step closer to energy independence. All right, it's time to see what this solar generator can really do. We've heard a lot about its capabilities, but now it's time to put it to the test ourselves. From the smallest gadgets to the more demanding tools, let's see how it performs in real-world scenarios. We're going to start small and work our way up. It's always good to begin with the basics and gradually increase the load to see how the generator handles it. First up, the essentials, our phones. These are the devices we rely on every day, and having a reliable power source for them is crucial, especially when we're off the grid. No problem. The power station handles those tiny batteries like a champ. It's reassuring to know that even in remote locations, we can keep our phones charged and stay connected. Next, we'll try something a bit more power-hungry. A laptop. Laptops are essential for work, entertainment, and staying productive on the go. Again, no sweat. The power station keeps the juice flowing and our laptop is good to go. This is a game changer for remote work and outdoor adventures. This is perfect for those times when we need to get some work done on the go. Whether it's writing, editing, or just browsing the web, having a reliable power source makes all the difference. Now for the real test, a power tool. Power tools require a significant amount of energy, and this will really show us what the generator is made of. We're going to try running a drill off this thing and see if it can handle it. Drills are essential for construction, repairs, and various DIY projects. And wouldn't you know it, the drill fires right up. This is impressive. The generator is not only versatile but also powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. This solar generator is more powerful than we thought. It's a reliable companion for any outdoor activity, ensuring that we have the power we need whenever we need it. From phone chargers to power tools, this generator has proven its worth. Section 5. The $250 contender, can it keep up? This is the question we're diving into today. We've seen the high-end models, but what about something more budget-friendly? Now you might be thinking, Mike, that's all well and good. But what about a cheaper option? Is it possible to get reliable solar power without breaking the bank? Well, I've got you covered. Today we're putting a $250 solar setup to the test. This setup promises to deliver essential power without the hefty price tag. We've got a $250 solar setup right here ready to go head-to-head with the big boy. It's compact, portable, and claims to be efficient. But can it really keep up with the demands of everyday use? Right off the bat, you can tell there's a difference. The build quality, the size, and the overall feel of the budget model are distinct, but don't let that fool you. Sometimes good things come in small packages. The solar panel is smaller, which means it might take longer to charge the power station. But for those who need a portable solution, this could be a trade-off worth considering. And the power station is more compact. This makes it easier to carry around, especially for camping trips or outdoor activities where space and weight are a concern. It's got fewer ports, too, which means you'll need to be selective about what you plug in. This could be a limitation if you have multiple devices to charge simultaneously, so we might not be able to power as many devices at once. However, for basic needs like charging a phone or running a small fan, it might just do the trick. But hey, maybe it's all about efficiency over raw power. If this budget setup can efficiently manage the power it generates, it could be a game changer for those on a tight budget. Let's hook it up and see what it can do. We'll connect it to a variety of devices to see how it performs under different conditions. We'll try the same tests, phone, laptop, and see if it can handle these everyday essentials without any hiccups. And finally, the power drill. This will be the ultimate test to see if this budget-friendly solar generator can handle more demanding tasks. Stay tuned as we put it through its paces. Section 6. Powering your life real-world applications. So we've put these solar generators through their paces, but how do they stack up in the real world? Well, that all depends on your needs. The $500 setup is a workhorse. It's perfect for camping trips, tailgating parties, or even as a backup power source during emergencies. You can keep your essential devices running no problem. The $250 setup is more of a lightweight contender. It's great for charging phones and tablets on the go or keeping a small fan running during a power outage. It's all about portability and convenience. Section $7.00, comparing costs and savings. Now let's talk about the bottom line, cost effectiveness. The $500 setup is obviously a bigger investment up front, but you're getting more power and versatility for your money. The $250 setup is easier on the wallet initially, but it might not have the same long-term value if you need to power more demanding devices. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and budget. But either way, you're investing in clean, renewable energy, and that's something to feel good about. Section 8. Solar-powered future. Tips for maximum efficiency. Now, whether you go with the $500 powerhouse or the $250 contender, there are a few things you can do to get the most out of your solar generator. First, keep those solar panels clean. Dust and dirt can block sunlight and reduce their efficiency. A quick wipe down every now and then will keep them working at their best. Second, optimize your power usage. Turn off any devices you're not using and try to avoid running high wattage appliances during peak sunlight hours. Every little bit helps. Section 9. Conclusion, your best bang for the buck. Well, folks, there you have it. We've unboxed, tested, and compared two solar generator setups at different price points. Both have their pros and cons, and the best choice for you depends on your specific needs. But one thing's for sure, solar power is the future. It's clean, it's renewable, and it can save you money in the long run. So ditch those gas guzzlers and join the solar revolution.